What is up, KeToMi crew? It's your boy KeToMi Papi, and we are still here at Taco Bell. I decided to make this video a separate video just because I'm a little late to the party, and some people might not want to get the review with the iced tea, the dragon fruit iced tea that Taco Bell just released.
Hold on.
And I'm here trying out the Toasted Cheddar Chalupa and beef. I got it right here. I'm very hungry, and if you guys have tried this one, let me know in the comment section below what you guys thought of the Toasted Cheddar Chalupa and what type of protein did you get on yours. I got ground beef. I know that comes in steak and chicken, I believe. So I'm always a beef type of guy. A lot of people don't like beef. Shout out to Tay Eat. She doesn't like Taco Bell's beef. But we got it here today, and let's see how this one tastes, y'all. I got some chipotle sauce in the background here. Let me, give you guys a nice little shot. I got tomatoes falling all over the place. Let's see if we can get this. These in-car reviews are different for me, but we'll make it work though. Y'all see that? Let me see if I can get a little focus here. All right. Taco Bell's Toasted Cheddar Chalupa. You got to get some fire sauce. I got some right here. Let me taste it by itself first and move from there.
Juicy.
Wow. Wow. Amazing. Delicious. Taco Bell does it again. I was here trying to, sneak in a Mexican pizza, but they sold out. They literally have signs that it's sold out. I mean, it just came out like 2 to 3 weeks ago, and it's already gone. Oh my gosh.
Delicious.
Classic Taco Bell seasoned beef. Everything that you love in a chalupa. It has that crispy cheddar exterior. It is very crispy. I'm actually surprised at how crispy it is. This one is a banger. This is a straight up winner. I don't know. Maybe this might be the first 5 out of 5. I'm not too sure. Don't quote me on that. This one is getting a 5 out of 5. Only got one of them, and I might have to, slide back in the drive-thru to get me another just because it was so dang good. Give it a go. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, turn on the notifications bell. If you guys want to check out the Paradise Iced Tea video that I reviewed, you can find it in the cards up here. And until next time, you guys, I'll catch y'all on the next video. Y'all take care. Peace.